Standard 7th, Chapter 9, Direct Proportion and Inverse Proportion. Practice set 38. Now, 5 workers take 12 days to weed a field. So, 5 workers takes 12 days. And how many days would 6 workers take? So 6 workers, let 6 workers take X days. See, now what we have to see, here 5 workers takes 12 days and see worker बढ़ गया, यहाँ पे ये बढ़ गया, 4 workers has increased over here. It was 5, they have increased it to 6. So this will decrease, ये हमारा डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. 12 है ना, तो यहाँ पे कम हो जाएगा. This make us understand that this is inverse proportion sums. अगर यहाँ पे नंबर कम से ज़्यादा हो गया तो ये ज़्यादा से कम हो जाएगा. Only in inverse proportion we have to show multiplication. यहाँ पे ऐसा हो जाएगा 5 into 12 is equals to 6 into x. ओके, डायरेक्ट में हम क्या करते थे, अपॉन में रखते थे, इन्वर्स में मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म. नाउ ये x हमको ढूंढना है ना, तो 6 नीचे आ जाएगा. सो देयरफॉर 5 into 12, ये 6 को हम नीचे लेके आएंगे अपॉन 6 और x विल बी देयर ओनली. सो 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 5 2 जा 10. So x का वैल्यू we get 10. So x क्या था, how many days? 6 workers will take 10 days to weed a field. So, yeah, one more question they have asked, how many would 15 take? You have to go in same pattern, only instead of 6 worker you have to take 15. Here I have already prepared same like we did for 6 worker. So, cancellation I am explaining. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. So 4 1s are 4. See, nothing different, I did same as we solved these sums. Instead of 6 worker, here you have to write 15. So 5 into 12 and 15 into x. 15 will come down here in bottom. I hope you all understood. Second question. Mohan Rao took 10 days to finish a book, reading 40 pages every day. How many pages must he read in a day to finish it in 8 days? So, let he must read x number of pages to complete reading in 8 days. And we have been given he reads 40 pages per day and complete it in 10 days. So here what we can see ये 10 days है और ये 40 पेजेस है. सो ये 10 days डिक्रीज हो गया, यहाँ पे डिक्रीज हो गया, ये डिक्रीज हो गया ना. सो दिस विल इंक्रीज. ओके, एक कम होता है तो दूसरा बढ़ता है. दिस सम्स मेक अस नो दैट द सम इज इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. सो अगर डेज कम हो रहा है तो पेजेस इंक्रीज होगा. सो लेट्स सॉल्व. यहाँ पे हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना रहता है. 10 into 40 is equals to 8 into x. So we have to find out x. So this 8 will come here. 10 into 40 ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, सो अपना पोजीशन चेंज करेगा तो इट विल बिकम डिविजन. फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बिकम डिविजन. सो 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40 and 5 10s are 50. So x is equals to 50. So therefore how many pages must he read? Mohan Rao must read 50 pages to finish the book in 8 days. Okay. Third question. Mary cycles at 6 km per hour. How long will she take to reach her aunt's house, which is 12 km away? If she cycles at a speed of 14 km per hour, how long will she take? Now see, this is something related to science question and maths as well. We know how to find out speed. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay. Here they have asked us two questions. So let's see how to solve. For these two questions, either you can write here case 1 and case 2. Okay. Here what we will write, for 6 km per hour, let time taken be x, and for 4 km per hour, let time taken be y. Because we have to find out two questions, so we have taken x and y. In first case, this is time. So speed we have 6 km and distance is fixed for both, 12 and time is x. फॉर्मूला है ना, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो यहाँ पे स्पीड था 6 और डिस्टेंस किलोमीटर जो है वो फिक्स्ड है क्वेश्चन में 12 किलोमीटर एंड टाइम पर हार, तो हम लोग x ले रहे हैं. एंड यह 4 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन यहाँ का टाइम हमने y लिया था. सो further when we solve this, ये जो x है वो यहाँ चला जाएगा और 6 will come in bottom. So x को हम यहाँ भेज रहे and 6 bottom में आ गया 12/6. ओके, ये यहाँ पे गया और ये bottom में आ गया. Same here, y will go up and 4 will come down. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here x equals to 2 and here y is equal to 3. So we get answer. It will take, so answer, Mary takes 2 hours at the speed of 6 km per hour, and here Mary takes 3 hours at the speed of 4 km per hour. Fourth sums, the stock of grain in a government warehouse lasts 30 days for 4,000 people. How many days will it last for 6,000 people? See, यहाँ पे 4,000 से 6,000 हो गया, so ये बढ़ गया, increase हो गया. So that means this days will decrease. It is in inverse proportion. Let's see how to solve. 30 days for 4,000 people, and let x days for 6,000 people. So here what, for inverse proportion, 30 into 4,000 is equals to x into 6,000. So this 6,000 will come here in bottom. 30 into 4,000 upon 6,000 equals to x. So 000 ऊपर नीचे दोनों में 3 0 है, कैंसिल हो गया. Then here 3 1s are 3, 3 0s are 0, 3 2s are 6. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Bottom denominator 1 बन गया, यानी division is finished. 10 2s are 20. यहाँ multiplication है ना, so 10 2s are 20. So that is x is equals to 20, and x was what? Days. So 30 days will it last for 6,000 people. So the stock of grains will last for 20 days for 6,000 people.